The Mugger Arena has helped the school immensely. It's enabled the children to play outside in wet weather. It's also enhanced our PE provision a great deal. My name's Joanne Rowbottom and I'm the Office Manager of Zaytouna Primary School. It's enabled us to increase our football. We do cricket. We've also got Derbyshire County Cricket that do an after-school club for us. We have attracted interest from outside people as well that want to use the facilities during the summer club. So this is something we're looking into. It's changed the landscape of the school. Before we had what we referred to as the blue tent, which was an undercover blue building, very dark, very dreary, but obviously this has now improved it vastly. The children think it's amazing. They were really, really surprised when we unveiled it. We had the Mayor of Derby that came out, cut the ribbon, we had lots of balloons, children were fantastic and they really, really love it. It's a good opportunity for them to get outside and do sport, and say in all weathers.